Hi everybody, I hope you are doing great. Let's try to create this presentation and see how it looks like. It looks pretty amazing. Let's start to create that. At first we need to insert our blank slide. We format background and then blank and apply it to all. Okay, it's good. After that we need to create these rectangles. So how create these rectangles? Just easily create one by holding shift, and after that reduce its size so we can have another one near it. 1, 2. Okay, we have our rectangles. Now we have them. We select all of them, go to fill, make them white, then to shadow and go to reflection and give them these reflections. Okay, now you have reflections. You just need to paste the text to look like this. And after pasting the text, you have something like this. You need to bring this to front, then press Ctrl, copy this slide, press Ctrl A, press Ctrl A and go to shape format and align them center and middle. Then bring it up and set the transition to morph. Now your slide is ready. I hope you like it. If you like it, tell me in the comments. Have a nice time.